Hi there, this is a new video. Welcome back to the Amazing Gadgets channel. Gadgets and first available on Amazon or Target. Visit Amazon or Google. If you have any, subscribe to make like the video
敌军还有30秒到达战场。
for more videos. So let's see these cool gadgets and organizing hacks. So this is a broom, and this is a small trash bin. You can use it anywhere at home. This is a small wallet you can use for your glasses. This is a small grinder. This is a small box you can use for cutlery, and this is another box you can use it for spices. This is a cooker. We've got this cover you can use for covering your food. That's a small air conditioner you can use for cooling yourself. You can use it anywhere at home. It's really convenient. This is a closet, and this is a mobile chair you can use while doing the housework. This is a small cleaner you can use for the corners. Let's see what's in this bedroom. We've got this one you can use for organizing your clothes.